Dan Balaban's client, Ilya Bershadsky, was dying of cancer. His tumor had been detected on a CT scan, but his doctor never told him.
So he went undiagnosed with pancreatic cancer for a year and a half. By the time it was discovered, the tumor had grown 5 times in size.
When Balaban took the case, it was a race against the clock.
The law in California is barbaric in that if the victim dies of his cancer before the case goes to verdict, the case dies with him. And because of that law, the defendants wouldn't offer a penny on the case, and they were trying to run out the clock.
Disgusted by the defense strategy, he made a pledge to his dying client.
I told him I would spend whatever it took, and I wouldn't charge him a dime. I wouldn't charge his heirs a dime, because I was offended in what they were trying to do to him.
He went to court and fought for an expedited trial date.
And I told the judge that this case won't settle and that we need a trial. And the judge asked me when, and I said today, because this man's going to die.
His client was fighting to live long enough to see justice.
And he said, "You tell those bastards, I'm not dying before this case goes to verdict." And he did.
A jury found for Ilya Bershadsky 10 days before he died. The case didn't make Balaban rich, but then again, maybe it did.
And we celebrated in his hospice with some champagne. And it was one of the greatest victories I've ever had.